Hi, today is the 11th of December, and today we will look at the wave counts for ITC. Now, this is the monthly chart of ITC, and you can see that ITC has a nice, clear 5-wave rise up to the 2018 high of around 350. And this was a nice impulsive rise, following which it started to decline. And it declined in three waves, which I will label ABC, to a low of 130 rupees in March. Now, this decline actually retraced 61% of the previous rise. So, we are going with a label of 1 up and 2 down for ITC, following which the stock has started to rise once again. And now, let us go to the daily chart and see what has been happening. On the daily chart, we have this formation. This is an overlapping rise. And if you look very closely, this looks like a leading diagonal. So this was a leading diagonal for wave 1, and then there was a 3-wave decline for wave 2. Now once again, if you see the retracements, it will be very interesting. It retraced exactly 61.8%, which is the ideal retracement for wave 2, and following which there was a renewed upswing. And if you look, another thing which is very interesting here is this RSI bullish divergence between here, and look at this, here and here on the top side. So this was also confirmatory that this low was not going to hold and the stock is going to rise again. So what now? Now we are going with a bullish count that this is wave 3 to the upside. And considering that we went long on ITC that once it crossed this swing high, which was like 175. And once it crossed 175, we went long with just one option position, which we have rolled over from November to December, and we are still holding the option position. So what could be the targets? So we are looking at a minimum target of 239. And if that is crossed with a lot of momentum, we would also be looking at around 285 for ITC. So this is a nice chart, which we have a nice pattern on the monthly, weekly, and the daily charts. Now, what is the alternate count? There is an alternate count that this decline is not over and this is a counter trend rise. That is also possible. But in that case, still this high has been taken out and we are looking at some more upside, and then the stock could decline. That is possible. So we will be watching out, and our stops are always trailing and we are already in the money quite a bit. So, and then our stop loss as of now has come down, actually has come up to around 205 levels. So that's all for ITC. Keep a watch on this one. This could really go places. Thank you. All the best and bye bye.